How Fabtech's pharma engineering is strengthening a fragile pharma backbone. With global reach, local care. For every over-dependency on imports, we enable domestic production capacity, reducing reliance on external supply chains. For every over-reliance on a few global manufacturing hubs, we support distributed, scalable manufacturing across regions. For every counterfeit or substandard medicine, we deliver purpose-built GMP facilities with controlled environments and validated processes. For the pressure of a growing, aging global population, we enable high-volume, compliant, and reliable production to meet long-term healthcare needs. For limited transparency in pharma supply chains, we design facilities that improve traceability, monitoring, and quality oversight. For imbalances in accessibility and affordability, we support localized production, lowering logistics costs, shortening timelines, and improving medicine availability. Strengthening the pharma backbone, delivered by Fabtech, global reach, local care.